Greetings. Welcome back to CodCifer tutorial. Going ahead, I presume that you have gone through the CodCifer Dashboard Walk-Through tutorial, which in-depth talks about explaining the initial setup with CodCifer. If you have not gone through the tutorial, kindly watch it once to get an idea about CodCifer. The dashboard tutorial was ended up by explaining about the general settings. So if you remember, I had told that once you have entered the credentials for the respective fields, click on Proceed. But there is a minor change that has to be done before clicking on Proceed. Because CodCifer got a new exciting feature that lets you import your SQL or JSON file. CodCifer calls it as generic imports. You might be thinking, what is generic imports, and a lot more questions about it. Hang on. I will be explaining about it briefly in a while. So generic imports lets you to import your previously designed database by encouraging the concept of reusability. For now, CodCifer gives you an option to import a SQL file or JSON file. Sooner you will be flooded with all kind of import options you would ever think of. By doing this, you will save time and any minor changes can be adopted easily. If you are not comfortable with the imports, CodCifer provides you an option of writing the scripts by yourself, and that can be done here in this text area. Here, I will go ahead by the import option. So let's choose the file. As you can see, I selected a file, extension builder.json. The extension builder.json is a file that comes from Typo3's extension builder, so that you can create an extension in Typo3 version 6 or 7.x and import the project to CodCifer. Once done, the next option given is to provide the desired prefix. So you might be thinking, what does this prefix do? Sometimes a table might have prefixes to the actual table name, so these can be removed using the table prefixes. After that, you will have to choose whether you want the imported file to be used to overwrite the current project or create a new one. Here I will choose to overwrite. Alright, let's click on Import and Create Project. Before that, check if all the fields are presented with their respective credentials. Alright, everything seems to be fine. Let's go ahead and click on Import and Create Project. As you can see, the imports have been successfully applied. So now let's open my project, that is Password Manager, and check the tables that have been created. So, as you can see, these are the tables that have been created by importing my JSON file. Thank you for watching the generic imports tutorial, and any feedback is appreciated. For further queries, you can contact us at CodCifer.com.